Hello! So today we have a new challenge because check this out. This is one of my headlights and this is the other. As you can see, there is a fog on the headlights. So my wife's been complaining that it hasn't looked very clear and also the light is not as bright as it used to be. So my goal today is trying to clear this up. So let's give it a shot. So my goal is to use this mag and aluminum polish on this headlight to remove the fogginess on it. Now, online it says that this should work very well, so let's give it a shot. First, let's spray some water on the headlights and wipe it down. Then let's take our polish and take a cloth and apply the polish to the headlight generously. Let it sit for a little bit and then wipe down the headlights again. Reapply this as you see fit to get the desired results. How the polish works is that it actually removes the oxidation and the dirt and grime off the thin layer of the plastic headlight. Wow! Wow! That is amazing. It also would be good to apply a UV protection right after cleaning the headlights as well, but unfortunately I do not have any UV protection this time. So after a few minutes of polishing and just leave it in polish on and then polish it off, the result is quite amazing. You can see that the yellow went away and you have the clear glass or clear plastic for your headlights. So this is quite amazing. The mag aluminum polish is definitely a go. So I'm gonna try it on my old G35 20-year-old car and see what it is, and see how it can improve that headlights. So stick around to the end and watch the results. So this is how clear it can get with the mag and aluminum polish. And I've tried this before with other means, like using a drill with a pad and polishing it. And I did not get this kind of results. This is quite amazing. I highly recommend it. So take a look at the description below for a link to the mag and aluminum polish. And I hope you enjoyed this video. So have a great day.